Everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the female sex cells and the process of meiosis when it comes to how those cells are formed. So this is something that was discussed back in biology class. So this is a little bit more of a review. So if you have any questions, again, just let me know. So when it comes to female sex cells, we have the oocyte. And these are the names for what's going to be the egg. In the typical female, she's going to have 46 chromosomes. And again, if you remember diploid, 2N, that just means that the typical cell in the human body should have 46 chromosomes. With that said, at the beginning of meiosis, you're going to see that, again, we're going to begin with 46. As you continue through meiosis, you're going to see that the secondary oocyte, so after the first round of division, we're going to have the secondary oocyte and a polar body. The polar body is not going to be an egg, so it's just separate. And then after the second round of meiosis, we're going to have two polar bodies and one secondary oocyte with a polar body. So what does this mean? Again, I personally just like images. We have the primary oocyte at the very beginning. This one has 46 chromosomes. It's going to start that way. Really, it's going to double its chromosomes before it divides. So then we have a secondary oocyte and a polar body, which is going to lead to a cell that's not going to be used. Both of these are going to have 46 chromosomes each because, like I said, the primary oocyte has 46. Technically, it doubles it before it even begins. So we start with 46, double it to 92, divide. We have the secondary oocyte and the polar body, which both have 46 chromosomes. And then they both divide again, which is going to produce the ovum, which is going to be the egg that has 23 chromosomes, a polar body, which has 23 chromosomes, and then that polar body from the first round of meiosis is going to produce two more polar bodies. Again, none of these polar bodies are going to be used. They're going to be broken down and not used. However, that ovum, who is now created, is going to have 23 chromosomes that are unique and can hopefully be used in reproduction in the future. So if you have any questions on meiosis, please let me know.